Today I'm back out with a Jansen 1500 GTS and we're in the orchard, this lovely orchard again. So I'm going to put it through its paces with some of these apple, plum and pear trees. See how you think it gets on. As you can see, this chipper makes light work of smaller branches up to about 4 inch, and looks good. Good job. So that's a lot of brush, and that's only off 3 trees, 3 of the trees in this orchard. The good thing is, when you've got a chipper and you can chip on site, it goes to nothing. So if you look at this chip here, that's just along that bank side, that's off 4 trees. And that's 3 trees worth there. So there's more brash chipped in this little area than there is laid down on the field. If you don't have one of these, think about getting one. It's a great machine, capable of bigger stuff, and you can take it into back gardens. Once the client sees the chip, they'll love it. So I'll be chipping all the way along this rough border, and the good thing with the chip is it keeps the weeds down. As you can see, some grass is starting to come through here. As the grass comes through, you could spot weed it with pesticide, but it looks good when it's down. It darkens off, as you can see. This side's already got a lot of chip on. It darkens off, so that chip in a couple of days it'll be a lot darker than it is there now. But these chippers are fantastic for just condensing branches. Get rid of your branches, any kind of foliage off trees are brilliant. And if you don't want to put it on borders, you can use it as compost, or if you have to remove it from the premises, then you can put it into bags, wheelie bins, and take it out that way. If you've got this chipper in the garden, then like a handful of that stuff, them branches, be walking in and out the garden 100 times. Whereas with this chipper, the majority of that stuff that's left, put it through that, it would fit into one or two wheelie bins and just wheel it out. 2 goes. There you go. So, a great bit of kit. If you don't have one and you do landscaping, occasional tree work, or just flat out on the tree work, get one. These save so much time than having your big chipper parked on the front of the house when you're dragging everything round. Then once you finish the job, you've got to tidy up right round the house, right back to the truck at the front, and it's just time consuming. These things save so much time.